welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an outline text effect. This is the result of the work. I will work with these images. I downloaded them from freepik.com. I provided these images that you can download. The links is located in my video description. Enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. So let's get started. First we open the images that we will use. As usual, we use the File menu and the Open command. In the first part of the video, I will copy the photo of the girl and bring her to the main image. She points to the text that we will write soon. I explained this method in the previous video, please find the link in the video description. To do this, I'm going to make a selection around the girl. I'll select the quick selection tool and click and drag to select the girl. Use these toe icons, add to selection and subtract from selection, to adjust your selection. Click on Select and Mask when you are done. I'm working with the overlay view. Now, I'm going to click on the Refine Edge Brush tool and simply click and drag around the edges, to let Photoshop make a selection around those difficult to select part. If you accidentally deselected something that shouldn't be selected, use the brush tool to add to your selection. Make sure that this plus icon is selected. Use this minus icon and paint on these areas that should be deselected. This is the result. Now, scroll down and make sure that selection is active on their output, and press OK. To place the girl into our main image, make sure you move tool is active by pressing V on your keyboard and dragging the girl onto the tab of the photo. Without releasing your mouse, drag it down and release. To adjust its size and position, open your transform tool by pressing Ctrl or CMD+T. Now, I will write the text. Select Horizontal Type tool. Choose Font, Style, Size and Color, as you like and write the text. I choose Bauhaus 93, Regular. 100 points and black. Now, double-click on this empty space. From Stroke, you can adjust the size and the position. I will choose Size, 100 pixels, Position, Outside. You can try other sizes. From Blend Options, Advanced Blend, Fill Opacity, I'll just reset that to 0, which means we can see through the fill. Finally, place the girl layer above the text layer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel.